guys, it's your girl Mimi, one half of the dream team, Mimi and LeyLey. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I really appreciate you being here. We normally do challenges and mukbangs, but today I'm bringing you guys another art video. If you're coming back to the channel, what's up? How you doing? I hope everyone is doing well. I'm excited for this video, guys. We're gonna paint something today. So this is a good video if you're just learning how to paint with acrylic paint. So this is great for beginners. It's super easy to do. I'm going to be using a painting from this book. It is Learn to Paint in Acrylics with 50 Small Paintings. So this book includes 50 small, easy paintings starting from beginner level to advanced level. So we're going to do something that's more beginner level. And I'm going to show you guys what we're going to be painting today. We're going to be painting this. So, if you guys want to, you can follow along, grab your canvas, whatever medium you want to paint on, paint your paint brushes, and let's get it going. Check out my hoodie. This is dope. I love this artwork. This artwork is from Adrienne Muse. She goes by Madam Adrienne Muse. You can check her out on Instagram at iam.muse. She has a lot of dope artwork on her page. She's an amazing artist. She actually has a YouTube channel too with her wife and kids. It's actually called Her Wife and Kids. They're not active on YouTube anymore because they're super busy with the art business, but go check her out. They are amazing, super dope people, very chill. She actually inspired me to get back into art, so check her out. Alright guys, so you can follow along with me here. We're going to start out with making the silhouette of the tree. I've already primed my canvas panel with gesso. So now I'm going to use a mixture of orange and purple paint to make kind of a brown color to make the silhouette of the tree and the ground. Okay, so next guys, we're going to paint over the silhouette with a very, very light yellow. Once we go over it, you still want to be able to see the silhouette underneath because we're going to need to be able to go back over that once we're done with the background. And don't worry about if your tree is not exactly like the picture, because your tree is unique to your own personal style, so it's not going to be exactly like the picture. Okay, so now guys, we're gonna mix some orange with the yellow that we've been using, and we're gonna blend it in with the yellow background. So next guys, we're going to mix equal parts of red and orange to paint the part of the sky that is closest to the horizon. like I said, you know, it doesn't have to be exactly like the photo, because mine is not like the picture that I reference. Here's the original, and here's mine. As you can see, it is different, but you still can tell that it's a tree, and it's very similar to the original picture. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and please subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified anytime I post a new video. If you guys really like this video and want to see me do more videos like this, leave a comment down below and give me some ideas. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.